Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In our previous video, we learned a few English words. In today's video, we are going to learn another few words and idioms with their meaning and example sentences. So let's begin. The first one is humongous. Humongous meaning extremely big, enormous or very large. Easy to remember, think about a huge monster. It is humongous. Example sentences: the elephant is a humongous animal. They live in a humongous house. We saw a humongous shopping mall yesterday. Now it's your turn. Try to frame a sentence using this word and send it in the comment. Now coming to the second word, indispensable. Indispensable meaning extremely crucial or important. Can you live without water? No. That means water is indispensable. So you can frame a sentence like that. Water is indispensable in our life. Another sentence, a good teacher is indispensable to students. One more sentence, mobile phone has become indispensable in everyone's lives. What is indispensable in your life? Now let's move to the next word. The next word is endeavor. Endeavor meaning to make a serious effort to achieve something, especially a dream or a goal. Suppose you have a dream and you put your 100% effort to achieve that dream. The serious and the sincere effort is called endeavor. Endeavor equal to serious effort. For example, I endeavor to improve my English every day. She endeavored to score good marks in her examinations. The cricketers endeavored to win the World Cup. Can you make one sentence using this word? Now coming to the idioms, the first one is keep up with your Joneses. Keep up with your Joneses meaning trying to copy others' lifestyle, possessions or success. Have you ever noticed that some people always try to copy others? They want same clothes, same car, same bungalow, same hairstyle, same clothes, same mobile phones and sometimes same lifestyles. Instead of being happy whatever they have, they always compare themselves with others. That is keeping up with the Joneses. For example, some people buy expensive car just to keep up with the Joneses. My friend is always trying to keep up with the Joneses by buying new mobile phones and fashionable clothes. Here I would like to say that there is a slightly difference between getting inspired and keeping up with the Joneses. Keeping up with the Joneses means copying others just to impress people or to appear as successful as they are. That is keeping up with the Joneses. Now coming to the next idiom, that is count your blessings. Count your blessings meaning to be thankful for the good things in our life. Instead of focusing on our problems, we should count our blessings. The next idiom is hold your grudge. Hold your grudge meaning if someone hurt you many years ago but you are still angry with him or her, means you are holding your grudge. You can remember the meaning of this word in this way. Hold your grudge means to keep anger in your heart. For example, don't hold your grudge against your friends. I never hold my grudges because I can forgive people easily. Holding grudges can disturb your peace of mind. Now the next one is on and on. On and on means continuously without stopping. Imagine someone is talking continuously without stopping, that is on and on. For example, the baby cried on and on. She talked on and on during the meeting. The rain continued on and on throughout the night. The next one is on and off, means occasionally or from time to time. For example, it rained on and off yesterday. The internet connection was on and off when I was editing my video. One of my friends has been learning English on and off for the last 2 years. Now it's time to revise all the words and idioms which we have learned today. The first one is humongous. Humongous means extremely big. Extremely big. The next one is indispensable. Indispensable means very crucial or important. The next one is endeavor. Endeavor means serious effort. Serious effort. Keep up with your Joneses. Keep up with your Joneses means copying others' lifestyle. That is keeping up with the Joneses. Count your blessings. Be thankful. Whatever we have in our life. On and on without stopping. Continuously. On and off. Occasionally. From time to time. Hold a grudge. Hold a grudge. Keep anger in your heart. Keep anger in your heart, that is hold your grudge. I hope you enjoyed today's lessons. Now it's time to frame a short story using all the words and idioms that we have learned in this lesson. There was a girl named Ria. She had a humongous dream. She wanted to become a doctor. Every day she endeavored to work hard to achieve her dream. She studied long hours, attended all her classes and never gave up because she knew hard work was indispensable for success. However, her friends were totally different from her. They always tried to keep up with the Joneses. When someone bought a new mobile phone, they wanted the same. If someone wore a new expensive cloth, they wanted the same. But Ria was totally different from others. She never compared herself from others because she knew how to live within her means. Whenever she felt demotivated, her mother say, count your blessings. You have a lovely family, good health and opportunities to study. So be thankful what you have. Sometimes her motivation went on and off. On some days she felt very confident, while on the other days she felt very low or discouraged. But she never gave up. One day one of her classmates had spoken rudely to her. Instead of holding her grudge, she forgave her because she knew forgiveness brings peace. Years later, her endurances paid off and she became a doctor. Everyone started appreciating for her hard work and dedication. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to Humongous.